don't know who motherfucking representing it here tonight.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here to share a makeup tutorial. Yes, in a little minute since I've done a makeup tutorial on my channel. So this was requested from one of my lovely subscribers. But before I get started, I just wanted to say I tried to do a chit chat, get ready with me. I don't know how much chit chatting I was able to do because a lot of times when I'm doing my makeup, depending on what I'm applying, it's hard for me to talk and apply at the same time. And I didn't want the video to be super long. Going to go back to edit it could be a pain. So hopefully I did get some chit chatting in because again, I miss you guys. Always hauling things, unboxing things, sharing things, but I'll never get a chance to talk to you guys. So I hope I was able to talk just enough to be able to engage with you guys. If you like these types of get ready with me videos, give this video a big thumbs up. I haven't been doing that in a while, and I actually figured out a whole setup type thing. I used to have my camera sitting like in front of me, but now I have it actually behind my desk. They had to move my desk out and do all of this stuff. Hashtag YouTube life. But yeah, I had to pull my desk out, put the camera behind it. I got my ring light. It was just a lot. I like this setup a whole lot better than when I had it sitting in front of me. Setup, it looks really nice. So again, y'all may see a lot more tutorials on my channel. Like I said, just bear with me. I'm a little rusty because it's been some time since I have done a makeup tutorial. And if you want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay y'all, my eyes are on. So now I'm about to apply my primer. I tell you, my foundation that I'm loving is the Fenty Beauty foundation. But the crazy thing is I haven't purchased the actual foundation. I have been using samples. I don't know why I haven't purchased the full bottle instead of keep using samples. Maybe once I use all my samples up, then I'll purchase one, because I have a lot of samples of the Fenty Beauty, because every time I go inside of Sephora, I'll ask for a sample. So, and these lashes might be my last time using them, because like I said, I have used these lashes so many times. But yeah, what else has been going on? My daughter, she's about to go to school. You know, here in Georgia, school starts super early. I'm from up north, and you know, if you're from up north, you know school normally starts like around, you know, in September after Labor Day. But here in Georgia, child, they start super early. I mean, I've been here for over 10 years, so I'm used to it now. Let me tell you, when I first was here, I was like, what? Like last year they had went back in July. This year they go back the first week of what is it, August. No, they go back August the 1st. I mean, that is a lot. That is still early to me, but I guess it's a lot better than going back in July. Cause out the end of May, like they used to get out the first week of May. Now they get out the end of May, and then for them to have to go back at the end of July, like come on y'all, seriously. Like back home, the kids would get out in June, and then they would go back in September. For some reason down here, they go back early. That's why they have all those breaks. Like they're gonna have a break in October, a break in November, a break in December, then a break in February. Y'all could skip all the breaks and just let these kids go back to school in September. That's just my opinion. Because I came from up north. If I was from Georgia, it wouldn't bother me. But since I came from up north, it's like that's just super early for me. But again, I'm used to it. And the great thing about it is I have 3 kids. I have 2 sons that I can actually say that has graduated high school. I had one that graduated 2013, and then one that just graduated this year. Now my son that graduated 2013, I really wasn't on YouTube like that. I had a chance to really videotape a lot of his things because I wasn't into YouTube as much as I am now. So I do wish I was able to, you know, capture a lot of the moments when he graduated, but I did get pictures. But again, I didn't do like the vlogging style thing. I didn't do the vlogging thing and all of that. So yeah. But yeah, I have 2 sons that has graduated high school. So now this year is going to be a little different because I only have 1 child going to school, which is a good thing. So what that means is pretty soon all my kids going to have graduated. I was saying she's super excited about going to middle school. And again, if you follow my social media, you would saw we both got our nails done, and she just got SNS powder for the first time. She was really excited. So I said since she's going to middle school, you know, she could probably start getting, you know, like girly things that she may want. Personally, I don't think with her being only 11, she should really have fake nails on. I don't even wear fake nails like that no more because they do ruin your nails, you know, after a while. So yeah. And what else? Oh, I forgot to put my eyeliner on. I'm gonna go ahead and use this eyeliner. So is how to do a wing liner. Like, I wanted to learn how to do a wing liner so bad because it looks cute, you know, like sometimes on makeup looks. Like I said, I'm about to apply the Fenty Beauty. I am in the color 370. Like I said, I have a lot of samples, y'all. Foundation on how it looks on camera. I don't really wear makeup all the time. It looks good on camera, then I know it's a good, you know, a good thing. So I'm just using my Q-tip because I didn't want to put my hands in it. I probably will use the brush first and then go in and go back over with my beauty blender. But I don't know, I was just trying something different. I like the beauty blender because, like I said, if I apply too much, at least, you know, the beauty blender can soak, you know, some of the product up for you. Apply some more under my eyes because I do suffer with bags and things like that. The thing I do hate about my face, the bags under my eyes. Wish I can take that away. They have this thing online where if you apply it, you know, your bags or your puffiness goes right away instantly. I tried it before, so I'm not sure if that really works. If y'all tried that, let me know if it works, because I'm like, you know, if I could find something that'll, you know, take away my puffiness just for, even if it was for a year. I wish I had the money to actually get surgery done, but your girl don't, so I have to deal with it. And then I like to spray my face just to, you know, because it was feeling a little dry. Again, it's not normally dry, but this foundation is like, I think it's like matte or something like that. Yeah, I don't apply a whole lot of foundation because, again, I just really wear makeup to like even my skin tone. I don't have a lot of blemishes and things that you need to cover up. Thank God. I never really suffer with acne or anything like that. Now I may get a pimple every once in a while, but it's not so severe that I have scars and marks on my face. So I do thank God for that. Let me do next. See, when you filming, I kind of get thrown off because I'm so used to like doing everything in routine. So now I'm trying to figure out everything in this video because I think I might have forgot something, not sure. Highlight my face. Don't know why I do it. Again, I do it because I see YouTubers do it. I don't really like to highlight my under eye area because to me it seems like it enhanced my puffiness under my eyes. So that's why I don't put that highlight under my eye area. I just mainly put it on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, and here on my chin. Make contour a little bit. I use this MAC, what is it? Blunt. It's like a blush, I think, to contour a little bit. I do want to try the Fenty Beauty. I don't apply a lot because I don't want to be looking crazy. Use this NYX blush. I don't know, it's kind of hard to talk and do makeup without me making this video super long. So, because I still have a lot of filming to do, y'all, today. Do my under eye area. Place that shade under my eyes. Well, a tight line under here, whatever it's called. To apply something on my, some mascara on my bottom lashes. Using this sample of Gucci mascara. Okay, yeah, like I was saying, that's another thing I do that I can't talk and do at the same time. I have to do my highlighter, my highlight. I love to say highlighter, y'all. You can tell I'm ready to go school shopping. Still uses my Becca, and this is an Opal. then I'll place some in the corner of my eyes. Put like a little bit, nothing too dramatic. Place some highlight on my cheekbone. So now I'm about to apply my favorite lip liner, which is NYX, and it's in the color Suede. And it's funny, I have so much lip products, but I'm always picking the same stuff. Am I the only one? I'm always picking the same one. Like I only got 3 or 4 lipsticks, like for real. Over my face, this MAC powder all over my face. Well, let's see which lip product we're going to use. Try this MAC. This is MAC by Viva Glam 2. I always like topping my lipsticks with some type of lip gloss. See, I did forget something, y'all. I told you I forgot my eyeliner that I usually put on. I said I would try and leave everything that I use down in the description box. So yeah, once I transform to what I'm going to wear, I will be right back.